Next, we're going to talk about relations. And a relation is going to be a pairing of input values with output values. This can be shown as a set of ordered pairs where x is the input and y is the output. So if you think about it, when you evaluate to get a t-table, when you've done this in the past, you've put in x values and you've gotten out y values. Input, output. Now a domain is going to be those set of input values for a relation. In other words, these are going to be your x values. Oops. Now, range, on the other hand, is our set of output values for a relationship. These are going to be our y values. So when we take a look at a mapping diagram, in this case, we have here a domain of 2 and a range of A, B, and C because our ordered pairs are 2A, 2B, and 2C, where x and y are input and output, domain, and range. So we need to be able to identify the domain and range for a relation. In this case, it's this relationship of these points on this graph. So the first thing that you want to do, which makes your life as easy as possible, is to list these ordered pairs. So if I look here, I'm going to go from left to right. So starting with this point here, I have -2, 2. I also have this one here is -1, 1. I also have 0, 0. I have 1, -1, 2, -2, and 3, -3. So, as we mentioned, your input or your x values are your domain. So we're going to make a bracket, and you can also just make a squiggle like this. That will count as your bracket as well. So my domain is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Oops. We'll rewrite those. And we'll have a bracket on the other end. And our range is our output values or our y values, which gives me 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3. While writing out the ordered pairs isn't necessary, it is extremely helpful, as you can see.